What if the job you're preparing for today looks completely different just a few years from now? With AI, automation, and remote work on the rise, traditional careers are transforming. The future of work is uncertain, yet it brims with opportunities for those who prepare. Technology is changing the workplace faster than ever. Jobs will evolve, and new careers will emerge. Those who continually learn will adapt better than others. AI will reshape how we work. It can automate repetitive tasks, helping people achieve more in less time. Consider this. One worker embraces new tools while another resists. The adaptable worker stands out. Learning technology can be your edge. In the future, skills will weigh more than job titles. Transferable skills, like communication and creative problem-solving, will become crucial. Ask yourself, if my job disappeared tomorrow, what skills would I still possess? Focus on developing these versatile abilities. Remote work opens global opportunities. The internet lets you connect with clients worldwide. However, this also means increased competition. A strong portfolio and communication skills are essential to shine. Many combine jobs with freelancing or side projects. A diverse skill set creates flexibility. However, remember that success isn't guaranteed. Entrepreneurial thinking remains valuable, whether employed or self-employed. Human skills will always matter. Leadership, emotional intelligence, and negotiation are irreplaceable. The future isn't about competition with machines but using technology while emphasizing what makes us unique. To prepare for the future, take these steps. Keep learning, make it a habit. Understand technology, get comfortable with AI. Build transferable skills, focus on versatility. Create real projects, showcase your experience. Build relationships, a strong network opens doors. Stay financially flexible, good habits ease transitions. The future remains unpredictable, but you can prepare by being adaptable and curious. You don't need to predict the future perfectly. Just become someone ready to grow with it. Comment below about which future skill intrigues you most. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe to Finance Flow, and turn on notifications for more insights on finance, business, and the future economy. As we advance toward this new landscape, the importance of continuous learning cannot be overstated. Embrace online courses and workshops aimed at enhancing your technical capabilities. These small, consistent efforts build a foundation for adaptability in various workplaces. While the specifics of job roles may shift, being proactive in your education will ensure you remain relevant and sought after. The ability to communicate effectively will set you apart in the evolving job market. Cultivating skills in negotiation and emotional intelligence will become your greatest assets. As automation handles routine tasks, it's your uniquely human traits that will keep you indispensable, driving innovation and collaboration in teams. Emphasizing creativity and empathy in your interactions will foster strong connections, essential for teamwork and leadership roles. In this dynamic environment, the concept of career paths is shifting dramatically. Rather than following a rigid itinerary, we need to welcome a versatile approach to our professional journeys. This means actively seeking opportunities that align with our skills and passions, even if they don't fit a traditional mold. Consider your interests and how they might intersect with emerging technologies. Your unique talents can be integrated into new roles that we can't even imagine yet. Always stay open to exploring diverse opportunities that enhance your growth and satisfaction in the workforce. Every little step you take in mastering new skills matters, as they collectively build toward your future success. Networking is key. Engage with professionals in your field to gain insights and broaden your perspective. A robust network not only opens doors to job opportunities but also provides valuable mentorship and guidance. Furthermore, diversifying your skill set can protect against market fluctuations, giving you the agility to navigate changes with confidence. While pursuing your passions, remember that balancing stability with creativity will be integral to sustaining a fulfilling career. The ability to pivot in response to new challenges and technologies will define the successful worker of tomorrow, ensuring you remain not just relevant but a leader in your industry. In this ever-evolving landscape, remember the added advantage of remote work. With technologies connecting us across the globe, geographical boundaries are dissolving. This newfound freedom enables collaboration with diverse teams, enhancing creativity and innovative thinking. Yet, it demands a commitment to cultivating a personal brand that resonates in a competitive marketplace. Stand out by showcasing projects that reflect your adaptability and unique skills, strengthening your position to attract potential employers or clients. As you navigate this new world, let curiosity fuel your journey, driving you toward opportunities that align with your career aspirations. The importance of financial flexibility cannot be underestimated in this rapidly changing work environment. Adopting responsible financial habits will equip you to transition smoothly between jobs or explore new ventures without significant risks. Building a safety net allows you to invest in learning and become resilient against unforeseen challenges, making you a more formidable player in your field. In conclusion, adapting to our rapidly changing work landscape involves a blend of continuous learning, effective networking, and embracing technology. By nurturing both your technical and human skills, you'll not only survive but thrive, flourishing in your unique career journey amidst the future's vast opportunities.